Every object around us is made up of ingredients. From the food we eat to the clothes we wear, ingredients are the building blocks of our world. They are the foundation of creation. Understanding their properties and interactions unlocks a deeper appreciation for the things we use and consume. Whether it's a chef crafting a meal or a chemist formulating a new drug, the magic lies in understanding and manipulating ingredients. In the kitchen, ingredients come alive. A handful of simple components transform into a delicious meal. The chef, like an alchemist, combines flavors, textures, and aromas. Each ingredient plays a crucial role. Flour provides structure, eggs bind, sugar sweetens. The interplay of these components creates a symphony of taste and texture. The transformation of raw ingredients into a culinary masterpiece highlights the power of understanding their individual properties. Cooking becomes a dance between science and art, intuition and technique. The magic of ingredients extends far beyond the kitchen. Pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and manufacturing all rely on a deep understanding of ingredients. Consider aspirin, a common pain reliever. This powerful medicine is derived from salicylic acid, a compound found in the bark of willow trees. This illustrates the unexpected origins of many everyday products. From the pigments in paint to the polymers in plastic, ingredients are the foundation of our material world. Understanding their properties, their strengths, weaknesses, and interactions allows us to create, innovate, and improve.